Most beginners think they need a full website before they can start collecting emails. That belief delays people for months. But you can actually build your list today without a single web page or blog. One quick way to do this is with a free tool like MailerLite. You can set up a landing page in minutes and start collecting subscribers right away. I just opened MailerLite and created a quick landing page. You you can see how simple it is. Headline, email form, done. This link is now ready to share with anyone. No website or tech setup required. This is a great beginner step, but if you want to go further, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you the full structure. It comes with pre-built funnel templates so you don't have to design anything, plus the AI Prompt Vault to instantly create your lead magnet and email copy. That way, your first website free list can be live in days, not months. If you would like the step by step system to build a faceless funnel, grow your list, and promote affiliate offers, check out AI Faceless List Builder. It's beginner friendly, includes done for you resources, and costs just $17.97. Click the link in the description to get started today.